Okay, well, many of you know that we have launched UltraBase Court and also at the same time UltraBase Floor. Really excited about these products. I've always dreamed of having a product that would not be underneath of turf. You actually see the product and really get the full advantage of our interlocking panel-based technology. UltraBase Court and Floor have done that. So we got a call from a group, United Futsal, and they wanted us to work with them on a tournament up in Plymouth, Massachusetts, at an interior sports complex, probably around 80,000 square foot facility. And they needed us to do what I knew that only we could do, which was convert an athletic field, synthetic turf, into a court. And so we went up, we brought 7,000 square feet of UltraBase Court into this facility. In 3 or 4 hour time, we had the area built, and lo and behold, it performed miraculously. This felt like you were playing on a hardwood court, but you had the luxury of the resiliency that UltraBase Court allows. The traction was phenomenal. The planarity, of course, the way they interlocked together was perfect. They striped the field temporarily with tape, and essentially our court became the championship court for this 4-day futsal tournament up in Plymouth, Massachusetts. We believe that the conversion of any facility to have the ability to utilize it for other sports or other events is imperative. It's all about dollars, folks. You know that. We want, how do you take and utilize your space and best be able to enhance it? And by having the ability to take a synthetic turf area and convert it into an athletic court is huge. For basketball, for futsal, for deck hockey, even if you wanted to take our court and put, say, a sport tile on top of it because you need something more smooth for volleyball. It's one of the things that we're looking at now. We've created such great traction on this panel that, for volleyball, it's a little too sticky, and that's I think is a good thing. We can make it smoother and more slippery. That's easy. But getting to the traction that we achieved took me almost 2 years to do, and we've done it. So we're really proud of the fact that we have got a product now that is going to allow you as a facility manager to be able to convert over to additional sports or take the same area and convert it into an area that you need more of a floor system, whether it's going to be for a trade show event or you're hosting a graduation event and you want to protect the turf. All this can be done with the UltraBase Court. And what's so great about it, when these interlock together, just like all of our other systems, you create this unified structure that feels solid underfoot. It really, it settled into the turf just enough to where you had a little resiliency, but basketball bounce was still great. But the playability for futsal, it was perfect. There was I could roll a ball from one end to the other and never deviated offline. I mean, the coaches and the refs that were on this were just blown away that this was built on top of turf. And again, we're so proud of the fact that once again, we're the first company out there to be able to do this effectively. So, we always have known that we can take a concrete floor and convert it to synthetic turf. We've been doing that for years, and with the launch of our new UltraBase Max, which will be coming up here in later episodes, we're going to change the game in the way that any area, whether it's a dirt area or a concrete area, can be converted into probably the safest, best performing synthetic turf field we think ever created. But in this instance, it was turf to a court. We did it. You'll see from the photographs and the videos that we've got of the players on it and the installation, it was easy. We used volunteers, a lot of team members who were getting ready to play in the tournament helped out. So, we're proud of it, and it's really something that we want you guys to look at because it's about bringing more revenue dollars into your facility. And, we all know you guys are looking for the ability to make more money in your facilities. You have to. I mean, economics are tough. So I think we're going to give you a great way of doing that, and look forward to sharing a lot more of this with you in the future. Okay, so you guys had a chance to play. It's a new system, UltraBase court. What did you think?
Very good. Very good.
Nice and springy, grippy.
Yeah.
No slip, didn't slip at all.
Ball no signs of slipping. Near the ball doesn't bobble at all. It rolls nice and flat on the surface.
It's like quite soft under the feet. It's not
soft,
hard.
yes.
It's not a hard
It's got a bit
surface.
of a,
Got a bit of a spring.
a bounce to it. A bit of a bounce, yeah.
So you can see playing a tournament on it, and you feel
I think
good.
it's better facilities that we've had before.
Once you get used to it, it's quite grippy. So once you get used to it, it'll be great to play on.
Great, yeah.
Great, good. All right, man. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right,
Cheers.
bye. Bye-bye.
We'll be right back.